If you want to export your WhatsApp messages to your computer for backup purposes, you can try Coolmuster Android WhatsApp Recovery. It helps directly back up all your WhatsApp data to your computer, including messages and attachments like photos, stickers, videos, documents, and more. Step 1. Install and launch the software on your PC, then connect your phone to the computer via USB cable. Step 2. Once connected, select your device and click Next to start scanning the WhatsApp data on your Android phone. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable end-to-end encryption on the WhatsApp app. The software will then automatically enter the code. Click View It to access your WhatsApp data. Step 1. Click WhatsApp. Then you will see all your WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. Select the WhatsApp messages you want to back up to your computer and click Recover to Computer. Select a location on your PC to save the exported WhatsApp messages. All the chosen WhatsApp messages will be exported to your computer in a short time.